Here I have Nokia C31, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly what you have to do is to open upper bar, and here you can find the button record screen. So by holding your finger on it you can access, so you can't access anything. By tapping on it once you can first select if you want to record audio or if you want to show touches on screen. You can also select audio source. It could be device audio, microphone, or device audio and microphone. And then tap start to start recording. So after the countdown here, the recording starts. So let's record something, I don't know, settings list, maybe apps list. So to stop recording, you just go to the upper bar and tap stop here. And after that, your recording will be saved to photos, to the movies album. The recording starts. So let's record something, I don't know, settings list, maybe apps. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. What I'm going to do. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.